All right, here we're back with the 728 convertible. Literally filmed about 5 minutes after the first one. This is it's rough. It's got the handle lean, it leads all the way back here, and I did wash the bag out. That really needed it. Needed a good cleaning. But the Hoover logo here is starting to chip off and wear away, and this needs a whole restoration, whole repaint, whole redo, whole everything. But either way, just making sure I had a bag in it. It just needs a lot of TLC. But I mean, it sounds okay for what it is. And here I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm supposed to be showing you the machine, and here I am just dicking off. Okay, hold on. Anyway, the underside, model 728, by the way, if I haven't already mentioned that. But this is an okay condition. The belt's loose. I'll put a new belt on here soon. But it needs a whole new redo. It needs so much to become right again. I'm gonna end up doing a full refurb, painting, everything else, all that good stuff. This machine, because for me to feel like it's right and it got what it deserved, I'm gonna need to do a full restoration. I love the flower print bag though. That is pretty awesome. I got a brand new Type C bag installed on this one. I haven't had to flip this one yet. Well, not HEPA, that's Henry. I don't know. HEPA converted? HEPA something. I don't know. It does something good. But anyway, a little demo on this one. Now, the next video will be the Silver King with the mess test. That'll be a longer video, hopefully. If I talk more and clean more, you know what I mean? Then I'll get a full overview as well. But here we go with the model 728 from, I believe, 1971. And there went the belt. That has never happened on a YouTube video before. That's, see? I said I was going to put a new belt on it. I didn't expect it to be right while I was filming this. Wow. That is just shocking. Let's see if it did break. Yep. Snapped right in half. Here we go. So anyway, there was the short-lived demo of the model 728. I will be back with the Silver King, and I will see you in the next one.